What is a division? So in today's class, I want to discuss simplification, one very important formula which is going to use from your third, fourth standard to till until you graduate in math, or if you want to take math further also. So this is the rule to do the proper simplification. Simplification is basically means breaking down the complex math equation into a very easy form. Let's say if I'm writing 20 multiply 7 plus 8 subtract 9, again multiply 10, then division 7. And today's video is very helpful for the competitive exams, SSC, bank. They can also refer to this video for simplification rules if they are not used to math. If they are good at math, then no need. So this whole equation, if we try to solve, how you gonna solve in seconds? We are not able to do through. So through the simplification process, we can do that in seconds. Today, I'm just going to take three or four numbers. Later, I will increase the level because right now for 1 week, I just want to focus on the basics and I just want to focus on the easy task, easy one. So then, person, student, or the person who is learning for any competitive exam, they can easily grasp what I mean. Like it is not something too difficult to understand in 3-4 minutes. It should be like 3-4 minutes में खुद सीख लिया है नया, चाहे छोटा सा सीख हो. So I just want to make learning a good habit by through this short video. So anyways, let's start. So first I'm taking 32. Let's add any random sign. Multiplication 5 plus, I will take three numbers. So this time I will take three numbers. 3. What do we have to do? 32 multiply by 5 plus 3. Or if you want to do more, yeah, it's not okay. So there is one rule called as board mass. What it is? Board mass. I will just tell you what is a board mass full form and solve this question in today's video first. So board mass is bracket. We are not using bracket today also. We are doing very basic. Bracket of D for division. I'll just making the sign, okay? Hope you guys get it. M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. What is the board mass? Bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So this is the rule how to solve an equation which is consisting of multiple signs. Like here, there are not just plus plus, there are multiply and plus. So what we have to do? Follow this rule. We don't have bracket, cancel. We don't have division, cancel. What we have? Multiplication. Before addition, we have multiplication. Before addition, we have multiplication. I'm repeating. So we have to multiply the two numbers. Which number? 32 and 5. So 32 into 5, it is 5 to the 10, 5 to the 15, it will be 160. After multiplication, what it is? Addition. Then we have to add the 3 in the next step and the answer will get in the last step which is 163. जितना साइन होगा उतना स्टेप बनेगा. इट हैज टू साइंस तो टू स्टेप्स. फर्स्ट स्टेप में हमने ऐड किया, मल्टीप्लाई किया एंड सेकेंड स्टेप में हमने ऐड करके आंसर विल गेट द आंसर. इजी है, it's very easy, it's not difficult, you guys can try. I'm giving you as a practice. Let me give you 10 plus 3 minus, I'm giving you minus, okay, just follow this rule. Division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Bracket, forget it. We'll do in next class. Minus 2. Just tell me the answer of this one. Just this one. Okay. See you in the next class. Hope you guys understand and do let me know the answer in comments. Thank you very much.